Welcome back. Goa State Pollution Control Board has prepared state oil spill draft contingency plan to protect the Goan beaches from tar balls and the oil leak. It includes 28 various departments to fight against the menace of the tar balls. Board will submit draft plan to the government after final meeting with all the concerned 28 departments that is scheduled on 28th October.
In recent years, Goan beaches, especially during the rainy season, witnessed the menace of the tar balls. The oil released from the marine vessels is claimed to be the cause behind the generation of the tar balls. Usually during monsoon season, oil leak and the tar balls occur on Goan beaches. State government has directed the Goa State Pollution Control Board to prepare a plan to control the menace of the tar balls and the oil leak. Board has prepared state oil spill draft contingency plan which will be sent to the government for final approval.
On 28th is the final meeting where we have given them each of them the responsibilities and duties that they will do. Along with the training if they require to be done, we will propose that day. Once that is approved on 28th, then we will forward to the government of Goa for its approval, and then we will notify it, and we want to make sure that by the 15th of December, this final plan is with each and every stakeholder, whether it's a panchayat body, coastal panchayat, whether it's a municipal body concerned, whether it is each department, so that if and when there is a tar ball issue from March onward, they are able to tackle it.
As per the draft plan, the tar balls will be collected from the beaches and will be sent to the Kankona Hydrocarbon Unit for recycling and disposal.
The relevant panchayat in that area, they will be the ones who will be monitoring it. Now the district collector is the scene commander. He is the commander of whatever has happened there. Pollution board will take a sample, analyze whatever hydrocarbon it is. If there is a fire, because these are all flammable items. Fire, then the fire service department comes. If there is an oil spill associated, then if it affects fisheries, marine life, the fisheries department will be pulled in. Tourism department for the beach cleaning activity. And once beach is clean and the hydrocarbon or the tar ball is collected, it is our duty to ensure that it is sent to the authorized recycler. So we have to ensure that the tar ball or the oil slick is collected scientifically and dispatched to the Kankona hydrocarbon for recycling.
Our reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Now a look at the other events in the state.
Paintings by Subhash Desai and Nagesh Malhari are on display at Kala Academy. Former Union Law Minister Ramakant Khalap inaugurated the exhibition. Rafal Shona Hospitality hosted Goan Chef Challenge at Goa. Chefs from more than 10 Goan 5-star hotels participated in the competition.
This is a Goan Chef Challenge basically. It's a round that we are running in Goa as of now. There's going to be a national round. Basically it's a challenge not for any other institute or company in Goa. But more than that, it's a challenge to MasterChef. We challenge MasterChef Australia as to in the next 60 months we make an item, a kind of a company which is much more stronger than what anyone would take.
District Legal Services Authority South Goa celebrated World Mental Health Day. Various programs were organized for the special children's. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.